Hello, myself Meena Goswami, lecturer in mathematics, Sages Sector 6 Bhilai. Today we will deal with the types of an angle. Here before types of an angle, what is an angle? Angle is an inclination of two rays at a point, and that point is called vertex. Now when the inclination is less than 90 degree, then we can say that it is an acute angle. And when the inclination is perpendicular to each other, then we can say that it is a right angle. When the inclination is more than right angle 90 degree, then we can say that it is an obtuse angle. And when the rays are opposite to each other, opposite direction, then we can say that it is a straight angle, and it is also called 180 degree angle. Now more than 180 degree angle is called reflex angle, and when the two rays with complete one circulation, then it is called the complete angle, and it is 360 degree. Now we will see with the adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? Adjacent angle are the two angles having one common arms and two uncommon arms and one common vertex. Then it is said to be a adjacent angle. And when the two angles are two adjacent angles, the sum of two adjacent angle is 90 degree. Now we will deal with trigonometry. The basics of trigonometry. Trigonometry is the word which is the combination of two words trigon and metry. Trigon means triangle, metry means measurement. Here trigonometry function is basically based on the right angle triangle. Here what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is a triangle having one angle is 90 degree, is said to be right angle triangle, and the opposite of right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. Now the two functions of trigonometry are sin theta and cos theta. Here theta is when changes according to their base, and perpendicular are changes according to the theta. Now sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, sec theta is the hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. This cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta are the reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Now we will deal with the three-dimensional shape, surface area and volume of three-dimensional shape. What is three-dimensional shapes? Three-dimensional shapes are cube, cuboid and cone, cylinder, sphere and hemisphere. Here cube, the example of cube is dice, the example of cuboid is compost box, the example of cone is ice cream cone, the example of cylinder is water bottle, the example of sphere is football, and the example of hemisphere is bowl. Here we will deal with the cube. So what is cube? This is the structure of cube. It is a three-dimensional shape having equal sides, equal height and equal breadth. Length, breadth and height are equal, and there are this pointer are called the edge vertex of a cube, and the sides are edge. There are 12 edges, 8 vertex and 6 faces are there, and all the 6 faces are equal. The net diagram of the faces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These all faces are equal. Now the area, lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square. Here a is the side of a cube. Total surface area of a cube is 6a square, and the volume of a cube is a cube, and here a is the sides of a cube.